changed for the better or for the worse. But either way, we won't know they are all the same. I haven't talked to you in a while, which I regret. Do you even know my name anymore, or do you forget? I know it's hard for you to say what's on your mind. I don't know yours either. Been alone in my mind for a pretty long time, just trying to figure out if everything's fine. Haven't done a good job though, 'cause I don't know. I don't know if I can hold on, even though I've been told 1,000 times that I can. But if you call a spade a club, it doesn't mean it makes a flush. If all you've got are diamonds in the rough. Alchemical chemistry changing coal to flame, igniting the fuel before it gets a chance to shine. You really need to shine a light through in order to assess the true value. But can you tell in the dark while they're lying by your side? I haven't talked to you in a while, which I regret. Do you even know my name?